here I've got our washing machine, which we're actually using at the moment. This washing machine is built into a tray which has been lined with Saniclad and sealed with Sikaflex to keep it nice and waterproof. Hinges are in that side. Long hinge here waiting to be put on. Then the whole tray will slide out the back of the van so that you can use the washing machine. It only takes about 150 watts, so we're running it off a small inverter. I can't put the hinges on yet until I've built the wall that goes along here, and of course I can't do that until I've got the tank and can do all the tank fittings. It's really quite annoying having to wait for things to be delivered. Over here I've got a couple of pipes coming from the fresh water system, one hot, one cold. The long one there is going to be for a high pressure inlet, which is going to be under the van, so I can plug in using a pipe to an outside tap to pressurize my system should we be on site. Two taps on the fresh water system there, which I'm going to connect to flexible hoses so that we can fill the washing machine with water, both hot and cold.
And I can start filling it up. This is the point I wish we had running water, because it takes 2 or 3 of these.
How many towels have we got there?
3 towels, but I'll put them all in at once. Put one in.
How long is the wash timer for?
I've put it on for 9 minutes, but it's towel, so I want to give them a good wash. See if this one can go in, because there seems to be plenty of water in there.
So that's 3 normal sized towels?
1 big bath towel, 1 large towel and 1 smaller towel.
And that runs for 9 minutes, does it?
It will go up to 15 minutes if you need to do a really long wash, but 9 minutes should be enough to give these towels a good clean.
And so it automatically reverses direction?
Yes. It stops the clothes getting quite as entangled. You have to be careful. If you overstack it, then the clothes and things get all tangled up.
Well, I suppose that's the case with any washing machine.
Yeah.
Right, I'll pause it for the time being.
Yeah. Okay. This is a big towel. Squeeze it out as much as I can. And pop it into this side. There's still some room there, so I might put the little towel in. Got this one goes on the top, like so. You don't have to drain the water. I'm going to carry on using that in a minute. This is the spin.
Very fast.
It drains the water out. What is good about the spinner also is if you feel that it's finished spinning, it's not being effective anymore, but you've still got some time to go, the timer is clockwork, but when you open this, it actually stops it.
Alright.
So you don't have to use all the spin time if you don't want to.
That was how many minutes?
That was about 30 seconds really, and that's pretty dry. What I do is I'll pop that in another container because it's spun, but of course it's not rinsed yet. The other towel. I'll see if this is uneven in its because it's not full, but we'll see. Oh no. Found its centre, that's okay. That's that. And now what I shall do is use this water to do some more washing and spinning, and then when I've done that, perhaps we can come back and I'll show you how it empties. And
so what was the total spin time for those towels?
3 minutes.
And what was the total wash time for those towels?
9 minutes.
Right, cool. Okay.
But normally I'd be spinning, if it's plugged into the mains, then I wash and I'm spinning at the same time.
Okay.
So as I'm spinning one side, I'm washing some more on the other.
Right, alright, okay.
Okay, so when you finish doing your washing, you want to get rid of the water, you turn this from standard to drain, and then all the water just drains out. Quite often I do that whilst I'm spinning something in the other side. Just saves a bit of time. The water's got very mucky. I use the same water to do a few things, starting with lights going through to darks.
Yeah. So that's drained out now.
So that's drained out now. So then, just to turn this one back to standard, which means that it's closed.
So, clockwork wash timer, selector switch, spin timer. And here are the specifications. Mains 240 volt, 230 volt. Washing capacity 3.6 kilos, spin capacity 2 kilos. Washing input power 240 watts. Spin dry power 120 watts. Both of those altogether 360 watts. So that's pretty low.